Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to discuss our views on Triclosan. As everyone may know, Triclosan is a very controversial topic. Following our PICO question, we have created a scenario that takes place in a dental clinic between a dental hygienist and a client who has background questions about Triclosan.
Our PICO question is, in the general population, does the long-term use of Triclosan products as compared to products that do not contain Triclosan have a negative impact on a person's health and well-being? P stands for general population, I for long-term use of Triclosan products, C for products not containing Triclosan, and O for the negative impact on a person's health and well-being. Well, Lydia, I hope everyone's excited for our Triclosan presentation.
Well, everyone, sit back, relax, and enjoy the
Trish,
presentation.
how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
Good, thank you.
Actually, before we get started, I just had a couple of questions I was wondering if I could ask your expertise about.
Sure, go ahead.
So the other day my girlfriend was over and she was telling me about this product called Triclosan. What exactly is that?
So Triclosan is a compound which is added to many household items just to reduce the bacteria.
Okay. Yeah, I noticed it's in my Colgate Total toothpaste.
Yeah, they've been putting it in Colgate Total for a while. It's supposed to help to prevent gingivitis and periodontitis by acting against the bacteria that are growing there.
To recap, Triclosan is an active ingredient in many products due to its superior broad-spectrum antibacterial properties. It can be found in toothpaste, household products, hand soap, and hair and makeup products.
So my friend was telling me that Triclosan has a lot of negative side effects and stuff, but then you're telling me it has beneficial properties, like in regards to my oral cavity with gingivitis and periodontal disease. So is it bad, or like I'm confused?
I don't necessarily recommend that everybody should use a product with Triclosan simply because
The regular use of Triclosan has the ability to promote antibacterial resistance. When Triclosan is initially absorbed into the body, it remains, increasing the chances of bacterial resistance. Once Triclosan is circulating the body at bactericidal concentrations, it appears to act upon multiple nonspecific targets, causing disruption of bacterial cell wall functions, while at sublethal concentrations, Triclosan affects specific targets. Over time, this creates a resistance in the body, which decreases the effectiveness of antibiotics, leading to people being more susceptible to illnesses. It has been shown that Triclosan can be transferable through breast milk to a nursing infant when the mother is using products containing Triclosan, such as toothpaste. A study in 2006 composed of 36 mothers showed that concentrations were higher in both plasma and milk from the mothers who used personal care products containing Triclosan than in mothers who did not. Evidence has shown an increase in cancer development related to the use of Triclosan products. Recent studies on Triclosan have raised concern about using the product as it may be hazardous to human health. For an example, in an American study conducted in 2008, 75% of test subjects had traces of Triclosan in their urine. The widespread use of Triclosan and its detection in human breast milk, urine, and serum have raised concerns regarding its association with various health outcomes, including cancer development. Not only does the use of Triclosan products affect humans directly, but it also has a negative impact on the environment. Triclosan has been shown to be present in the water systems. After using a soap or toothpaste containing Triclosan, the water ends up in a sewage treatment plant where 90 to 98% of the chemical is broken down and the remaining amounts to be discharged into fresh water or into the oceans. Once this chemical enters into the body of water, it is affecting the food chain and the rest of our ecosystem. Studies have also shown that there is a negative effect on animals such as dolphins and bullfrogs. Triclosan disrupts the growth and development in these animals because of the high concentrations found in the water that they live in.
Wow, those were good points about Triclosan and how it can affect the human body, the environment, and have bacterial resistance. But I'm a little curious, what are the benefits?
Well, actually, Lydia, there have been numerous studies to promote the benefits of Triclosan. For example, the British Dental Journal published several different types of studies proving the effects of Triclosan toothpaste in regards to plaque control, gingivitis, and periodontal disease. Triclosan toothpaste showed a 50% reduction in the mean increment of attachment loss compared with similar individuals using a placebo. Reputable companies such as Colgate use Triclosan in their toothpaste to help prevent the buildup of plaque for up to 12 hours. Although these studies have shown the effectiveness of Triclosan in preventing oral diseases such as gingivitis and periodontitis, we still believe that, based on all of our current evidence and the points that we listed above, that the risks outweigh the benefits.
Wow, thanks so much for all that information. I feel like I can make a better informed decision now. So do you think I should still be using a toothpaste with Triclosan?
Well, Trish, since you have never had a problem with gingivitis or periodontitis, I do not think that you need to use something like Colgate Total, which has Triclosan in it. You could just use a different toothpaste, like a Crest toothpaste.
Awesome, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah. In summary, the multiple risks of repetitive use of Triclosan products far outweigh the minimal benefits. As previously discussed, the frequent use of this chemical can lead to development of bacterial resistance. It has also been shown that it can be associated with several systemic health effects, one which can lead to cancer. It has also been shown that high levels of Triclosan in water have a negative effect on wildlife. From a positive standpoint, Triclosan has been shown to minimize the risk of gingivitis and periodontitis. However, there are other antimicrobial products on the market that provide the same benefit without the risks being associated. Therefore, with the current research that has been provided, we strongly believe that Triclosan products should be substituted with another similar alternative that does not present with all the associated risks.
Well, everyone, that concludes our presentation. Now for just a short YouTube clip.
I'm allowed to sound
So that's
stupid.
one back. Okay.
Good afternoon. Okay, if I take a double shot.
I can't believe you made me do that.
I've been craving a bagel with cream cheese since last Thursday, so it's pretty good.
Long-term use of Triclosan products as compared to products not containing Triclosan.
We have to start again.
Triclosan, right? Am I saying it right? I'm not even saying it right anymore.
I feel like I said Triclosan a lot. Triclosan? Triclosan?
Oh, I forget where I'm going. So what am I saying right now?
Okay, ready?
Okay, no. We're gonna do it all over. How about you retake
Okay, I don't remember what we said though.
Lydia's thinking.
PowerPoint
Like,
before?
I don't know why you would ask me a question about
Yeah,
that.
like I'm a pet.
You're not doing that.
Does this affect me or does it affect my dogs and my dolphins too?
No.
Reputable companies such as Colgate have used Triclosan in their...
I think you should walk across.
No.
Like, today.
No. So now you should say, wow, thank you for all the information. I'm so informed. So do you think, what's your opinion on
let's do it
changing?
like that. I feel like Lydia would have been better at this.
Yeah.
Triclosan.
Tell your mom.
I forget what I'm saying.
Wow, that's so much. Wow, thank you for all the information. Because don't forget, we just did all those slides.
Okay.
What am I saying?
Thank you for so... Oh my
No.
god. Wow, thank you so much for all that information. Stop.
Well, everyone, that concludes our presentation. Now for a short clip from the newsroom. News what?
Over to you, Bob.
Wow, thank you for oh my god.
General population.
What? Did you say pick a question?
Oh, yeah.
That
Should be really.
Yeah.
too bad you that. Enjoy the presentation.